This is the story about the man with the rocket bass. A long story about the biggest man from Ace of Base. He take you with ya, he cannot wake ya.